Welcome to video lecture. Myself Ashwini RK, Assistant Professor, Civil Department from Rogni College of Engineering and Technology.
Unit. The standard used for measurement of physical quantity is called as unit of that quantity. For example, 3 meter is the length of the table. Here, the meter is the unit used for measurement of length. The unit is divided into two categories, that is fundamental unit and derived units. Fundamental units. The units of fundamental quantities are called as fundamental units. It does not depend on any other unit. For example, for length it is meter and for mass it is kilogram. Derived units. The units used to measure derived quantities are called derived units. Here, the derived units depends on fundamental units for their measurements. For example, for speed it is meter per second and for density it is kilogram per meter cube. Fundamental quantities and fundamental units. Fundamental quantities, the physical quantities which do not depend on any other physical quantities for their measurements are called as fundamental quantities. Fundamental units, the units used to measure the fundamental quantities are called fundamental units. Here in the table we can see various fundamental quantities and their units. For length, the unit is meter and it is represented by the symbol meter. For mass, the SI unit is kilogram and the symbol is kg. For time, the unit is second and it is represented by small letter s. For electric current, the SI unit is ampere and the symbol is capital A. For temperature, the unit is Kelvin and it is represented by the symbol capital K. Amount of substance, its unit is mole, the symbol is mole. Luminous intensity, unit is candela and it is represented by the symbol CD. Derived quantities and derived units. Derived quantities are the physical quantities which depends on one or more fundamental quantities for their measurements are called as derived quantities. Derived units. The units used to measure derived quantities are called as derived units. Here in the table we can see different kinds of derived quantities and their units and their symbols. For volume, the unit is cubic meter and it represented by the symbol meter cube. For density, it is kilogram per cubic meter. The symbol is kg per meter cube. For speed, it is meter per second. The symbol is meter per second. For the quantity Newton, the unit is kg meter per second square and the symbol is capital N. For energy, it is joule and the symbol is capital J. For pressure, the unit is Pascal and the symbol is PA. Systems of unit is divided into 4 categories: CGS system, MKS system, FPS system, SI system. CGS system. In this system, the units of length, mass and time are centimeter, gram and second respectively. MKS system. In this system, the unit of length, mass and time are meter, kilogram and second respectively. FPS system. In this system, the units of length, mass and time are foot, pound and second respectively. SI system. SI is the abbreviation of French name System Internationale, International System of Units. Errors and types of errors. Error. An error is a fault which may occur even in most careful observations. The types of errors are instrumental error, systematic error, random error. The systematic errors is again classified into 4 types, that is instrumental error, personal error, error because of external causes, error because of defective in system. Commonly or mostly used error method. Instrumental error. The error because of wrong adjustment or defective settings of the instrument is called as instrumental error. Personal error. This error is due to carelessness or fault of an observer while taking the readings. Error because of external causes. This error arises due to changes in environmental conditions. Error due to defect in the system. This error is because of defective experimental setups. Thank you.